Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay. I'm first year AIDA student and my company is Soulmate and the product is adjustable shoe. The empathy that I have mentioned here are allowing the person to adjust its size according to his using a single button, and the shoe is durable and easy to clean and resin. It will reduce the maintenance burden. The existing product with the name was shoe, and I changed it to adjustable shoe. There are three ideas that I have mentioned here. First one, allow the user to fit multiple setting for different activities. It's called a memory function, and enabling its integration with smartphone. And the third point is monitoring the pressure points. Here's the prototype of the shoe that I have prepared. Thank you, one and all.